Let's talk about the calendar. What if I told you that the calendar we follow today is a lie? The Gregorian calendar wasn't meant to keep time. It was designed to break it. It was designed to disconnect us from cosmic law, divine timing, and our true connection to the Anunnaki. Before the Gregorian calendar, humanity followed natural cosmic time. The original Earth calendar was lunar-based, aligned with the 13-moon cycle, 28-day months, and the rhythm of Mother Key herself. These calendars synced with the divine frequency of the universe. They were encoded with star knowledge, DNA activation, and Anunnaki wisdom. In 1582, Pope Gregory introduced the Gregorian calendar, replacing the 13-moon system with an artificial 12-month structure. But why? To disconnect humanity from the stars, to confuse the sacred feminine, to distort our spiritual rhythm. It was a time hack, a spell. The elites knew what they were doing. The Gregorian calendar was a tool of control. It disrupted sacred ceremonies, disconnected us from celestial alignments, and forced us into a 9-to-5 matrix. The Gregorian calendar follows Saturnian time, the time of limitation, control, and karmic bondage. But the original time codes came from the Anunnaki, our ancient ancestors and architects of advanced civilizations. They gifted us calendars that aligned with the stars, the sun, the moon, and even stargates. The Anunnaki didn't just build civilizations. They gave us cosmic knowledge, including how to track time using celestial cycles. They understood that time is frequency. When you distort time, you distort consciousness. That's why the 13-month calendar was removed, because it unlocked divine potential. The number 13 is sacred. It represents the 13 strands of activated DNA, the 13 heavens, and the 13 zodiac signs. The Gregorian calendar suppresses all of that. This calendar isn't just off. It's spiritually toxic. It disconnects you from the solstices, equinoxes, the lunar portals, and personal power days. That's why people feel lost, drained, and stuck in survival mode. You're living on an artificial frequency that isn't aligned with the universe. It's time to reclaim divine time. Start honoring the 13-moon calendar. Track the moon phases. Celebrate equinoxes and solstices. Tap into the rhythm of Mother Key and the codes left behind by the Anunnaki. When you align with true time, your DNA begins to remember. Your Merkaba activates. Your soul awakens. The Gregorian calendar was a weapon to keep you asleep. But the awakening has begun. The Anunnaki are watching. They're waiting for you to remember the real timeline. Don't follow their time. Create your own time. Time travel starts with a calendar in your mind. You know what time it is, man.